Hello, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor Shanghai company. We are professional air compressor system manufacturer and supplier since 2007, located at Shanghai, China. Today there is one set 55kW variable speed driving air-cooled screw air compressor ready to ship to Kyrgyzstan. Okay, now let me introduce the whole air compressor machine for you. And you can see all the side of the air compressor cabinet equipped with sound curtain, and the car stage seal. More noises proof to make sure the air compressor working with lower noises. Okay, this is a two-stage high efficient air filter, intelligent intake valve. This is the key part, screw air ring. The two-stage screw air rings, in a simple word, is the two set single-stage screw air ring connected in a series to change the compression ratio, to improve the efficiency, and more to realize more energy saving. And as for the two-stage screw air ring, the warranty is over 5 years. So the screw air ring is more stable working, lower failure rate, and energy saving. This is another key part. As for ZIQI GAT series air compressor adopted Brazilian WEG brand electric motor. The motor is the WEG is the second biggest motor manufacturer in the world. IP55 protection, Class 5 insulation, Class B temperature rise, suitable for any harsh environment, and the efficient is IE4 standard. Ultra efficient synchronous three-phase induction motor, and the efficiency is never weak after using. Okay, this is the electric cabinet. This is the frequency inverter. The intelligent frequency inverter to make sure the air compressor working with a variable speed driving to realize the energy saving and small start current. And such as electric component with the French Schneider brand is also a good brand in the world. Quality assurance. And you can see here is to set the separated fan professional for the electrical cabinet to reduce the temperature in the electrical cabinet. This is the cooler, bigger size than an ordinary to make sure the higher efficiency. And you can see here is a bigger size. Here is a bigger size oil air vessel with a higher efficiency to separate the compressed air and lubrication oil. And the feature adopted Germany brand. The small pressure losing. Here is the oil filter. And as for the oil tuber, ZIQI compressor adopted Italy Manulier brand. The service time is over 5 times than ordinary, and with the ZIQI unique connector to make sure 100% non-oil leakage. And such as the oil air vessel equipped with safety valve and pressure gauge, oil mirror. Okay. Okay. The air compressor is air cooled and air cooled by the central finger fan. The single finger fan, comparing the ordinary exterior fan, is more lower noises and a large air volume, higher efficiency to reduce the temperature of the whole system. And the air compressor equipped with a bigger size touch screen to make sure more easily to use, and you can check the maintenance time and alarm and the running status in the display to realize 2 hours no human to operate. Okay, if you are interested in the whole air compressor machine, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye today.